So process P2 account. First of all, the output of process 1 transfer to process 2. So to process P1 account 960 for 57,600, wages 4,000, direct expenses 1,200, factory overheads to factory expenses 1,200, then sundry expenses. Here factory overheads 9,780, sundry expenses 5,000. Then scrap sold nil here. Sale of wastage is there. By sale of wastage, wastage number of units sold here 80 units. Value is 9,580. Then from process 2, what is given? See here, output of process 2 is 850 units. Then output of process P3 is sold at 120 per unit. That means here about P2, no other information. That means here the output of P2 is transferred to P3. So when output of P2 is transferred to process 3 account debtor to process 2 account. So in process 2 account by process 3 account. 3 account. So output is units 850 units. Value we have to find out. So for that, first of all, total the units column. 960 units. 850 plus 80, how much? 930. So 30 units shortage. It means here normal wastage. So by normal wastage 30 is the balance or difference. So always for normal wastage, if the scrap value or realized value is given, then we have to enter. Otherwise, there is no value for the normal wastage. So normal wastage ge value illa. Kottare mark. Now total the amount column. Amount debit side. So how much it is? Is it 77,580? 77,580. So difference is the value of output. $68,000. So balance or difference. 68,000 is the difference. So this is how the P2 account is prepared. First of all, output of P1 transferred, then other expenses, then here one wastage is there, 80 units, 9,580. Then process 3 account, the output of process 2 is 850, entire output transferred to process 3 account. For that 850, the units column you have to pass. Now we have to total the units column 960, 960. Then there is a 30 balance or difference in units column. 30 is nothing but normal loss. Then for the normal loss, if the value is given, then only we have to enter the normal value. Otherwise, we have to keep it in nil. Now, the difference of the total column is 68,000 is the value of process 3. Now, process 3 account. First, take this. This is process P3 account. Process 3 account that are to process P2 account. So to process P2 account. 850 units, 68,000 value. Now all other expenses, 2 wages, 6,000. 2 direct expenses, 2,680. 2 factory overheads, factory overheads 3,920. 2 sundry expenses, 1,000. Other side, about this, what is given? 840 is the output. Output of process P is sold at 120 per unit. So before the sale, the output of process 3 has to be transferred to finished stock account. So by finished stock account, 840 units. Now you total the units column first. 850 is the total. 850 is the units total. There is a difference of 10 units. 10 units are known as normal wastage by normal loss. For normal loss, if the realizable value is given, we have to enter, otherwise nil. Now total the cost column. Total cost is 84,000 total. 84,000. So the amount 84,000 is the value of output transferred to finished stock account. So process P3, the output is transferred to finished stock account. Then again we are asked to prepare the finished stock account because here sale is there. We have to sell the output of the last process. Sale price is given. So last account, finished stock account. First transfer entry. Process P3 account data. Finished stock account data are to process P3 account. So to P3 account 840 84,000. 840 84,000. Then from P2, from P3, no, P2, sorry, P1, from P1, say finished stock account 240 units transferred. So finished stock account at our to process P1 account. So to process P1 account 240 units at a cost of 14,400. So these are the outputs transferred to finished stock account. One from P3 account, another one from P1 account. Then about the sale, what is the information? See, finished stock output of process P3 is sold at 120 per unit. At 120 per unit. Prepare process account and show the profit. So buy sale of output of process 3. Process 3 output 1 is sold at 120 per unit. So rupee 120 into process 3's output is 840, no? Is it 8,400 or 840? 840. 840. So how much? 840 into 120. 1 lakh 800. Then buy balance. First of all, take the units. Units how much? $840 plus 240, 1,080. 1,080. So out of 1,080, 840 sold. So 240 balance. So this is by balance carried down. Its value, same value. We have not given any sale price. So it's the stock balance 14,400. Now total credit side is more. 1,800,000 plus 14,400. 1,14,000 or 1,15,200 is the total. 1,15,200 is the total. So difference is how much difference? What is the difference here? 16,800 is the difference. So difference is known as what? Profit. To profit and loss account. Profit. This is the profit. Why? Cost of 840 units 84,000, but sold for 1,08,800. So more than the cost, means here the difference is the cost. So 16,800 is the profit. So the instructions are to be clearly followed. Here we have given that only the output of process 3 is sold at 120 per unit. That means here output of process 1 is still there. It is the balance 240 14,400 value. It has no any sale value, so at cost itself it is in stock or at cost price the stock. So this is how the cost process accounts are prepared.